Omukoro ogwo gwatandikana na bandage eri kwemurikira abantu mu rurembo rwa Mbarara. Mukugamba kwe AIGP Jesse Kumunamwire yashobora ko kubandage eri kuza kuteekawo enkorano nja hagati y'abatuura hamwe na poliisi erimu kukwatanisa kwiriza hiyo obuheereza niko kushaba abantu kukozesa bandage omu kukora emirimo yaabo.
Of Western region to embrace this new band and the message of community partnership it presents. Use it to perform at your ceremonies, attend their performances.
Abebyokwerinda niko kuhamiza abatuura nk'uko bararinda obusinge omu karuura kari kwija.
Itwe nka polisi tweteekateekire okureba nga karuura kakaba kubusinge.
SSP Alfred Bagambachi, Regional Police Commander habwa Riz Region, yashaba abatuura hamwe n'eminyeeto kugendera habiragiro nk'uko akakiiko kakuteeza obururu kari kuragira omu bururu bw'2026.
Engenderwaho ya Electoral Commission akahereza engenderwaho mbwenu nanishaba ngu imwe mwena abaryoku abakunda ebintu by'akaruru na n'ihanga ryanyu mugezeho kushomeza engenderwaho kugira ngo mwazitamburiraho turagire bizubyona umuryaka karuru.
Aha mukorano gugumwe arikoranga commissioner wa music dance na drama SSP Okwi Steven yashobora akigendero cyo kutongoza bandage muri Mbarara City.
Scattering. The reason is one. There was a pressure need for band services elsewhere apart from Kampala. And then we could have the personnel trained moving from Kampala to Western. You come back, you are required to go to Northern, come back, you go to. And it was also an expense in terms of transportation of the personnel.
Kugira ngo hatu mu Western Uganda as a whole twineyo ubuhereza bwa band kandi ekibandi nekora ebintu bingi kiri kukoma omutere byeshongoro konka negesana n'abantu emicwe ningashi emitwarize kugira ko cyeshongoro cy'utambura na n'umuntu nukwashemeye kuba natambura.
Kashobya Bonne Speaker wa Mbarara City wajekera Road Mayor w'Orurembo rwa Mbarara yasime polisi abo mu mugwe kozire kubinga abashoma b'emhoro omucyanga.
Media platforms we've been having a challenge of course of Bijambia these days. People have not been sleeping, but I want to assure you those who are seeing us that at least in Mbarara now we can sleep at least. Though there are some still elements who are still there, but they are really trying to get them, to apprehend them, and they are facing the courts of law.
Bimwe abigendera ebi Uganda Police Force ine no kurebuka ngo bagira bandi omu region ina omwihanga abwa tayari Western Susan Alina Mukisa omuri Mbarara. I wanna fight